Professional numismatists often say that the most fascinating coins are the ones born from crisis, coins created not for beauty alone, but out of urgent necessity. And when that necessity forces the mint to alter a design for 1 year only, the result is a collectible treasure with a story unlike anything else in American coinage. One such legendary piece is the 1853 Arrows and Rays quarter, a coin that appeared briefly, vanished quickly, but left behind a legacy that collectors still chase with passion. This quarter isn't just rare, it's a snapshot of a moment when the entire U.S. monetary system was shaken, forcing the mint to redesign its coins almost overnight. Today, we'll reveal why this short-lived design is so historically important, why collectors treat it as a must-have, and how much it's truly worth in today's coin market. The story of the 1853 Arrows and Rays quarter begins in the early 1850s, when America's precious metals economy was in turmoil. The discovery of gold in California flooded the market with yellow metal, which surprisingly pushed the value of silver upward. This created a dangerous imbalance. Silver coins were suddenly worth more for their melt value than their face value, and people quickly began hoarding and melting them. Within a short time, U.S. silver coins were disappearing from circulation at an alarming rate. The government needed a rapid solution before everyday commerce collapsed. Congress responded by reducing the weight of all silver coins smaller than $1. But this created an immediate challenge. How could the public easily recognize the new, lighter coins? To solve this, the mint introduced a clear and visual indicator, arrowheads placed on each side of the date. But for the $quarter-and-half, the Philadelphia Mint went a step further, adding a brilliant burst of sun-like rays behind the eagle on the reverse. This dramatic design made the coins unmistakably different from their heavier predecessors. The combination of arrows and rays created one of the most visually striking designs in the entire Seated Liberty series. The arrows frame the date like bold warning signs, while the rays behind the eagle give the coin an energetic, almost explosive look. However, while the design was beautiful, it had a major flaw. The intricate rays caused premature die breakage, making the coins difficult and expensive to produce. After just 1 year, 1853, the mint removed the rays, keeping only the arrows for several more years. This means the 1853 Arrows and Rays quarter is a true 1-year type, instantly making it more desirable to collectors. Today, surviving examples show a wide range of eye appeal. Heavily circulated coins often have a charming, historic look, while mid-grade pieces display the full detail of the arrows and the dramatic rays. Mint state examples are significantly scarce, and coins with sharp strikes and original luster draw strong interest at auctions. Values vary based on condition, with lower-grade examples being affordable but still collectible, while higher grades can easily reach high hundreds to several $1,000s, especially with exceptional surfaces or CAC approval. Collectors especially appreciate how the 1853 Arrows and Rays quarter represents a very specific moment in time, a moment when the U.S. Mint was forced to act fast, innovate visually, and adopt one of the boldest design changes of the Seated Liberty era. This makes the coin not only a beautiful collectible, but also an educational piece that reveals how economics and artistry intersect in American history. For anyone building a typeset, a Seated Liberty set, or a collection of historically significant U.S. coins, the 1853 Arrows and Rays quarter is considered essential. Its design, rarity, and story all contribute to its enduring popularity. The 1853 Arrows and Rays quarter isn't just another old coin. It's the physical evidence of a crisis, a solution, and a short-lived artistic experiment that shaped American numismatics forever. Its bold design, historical urgency, and 1-year rarity make it one of the most captivating pieces a collector can own. If you enjoy learning about coins with real stories and real value, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with fellow collectors. Your support helps us continue bringing these rich, detailed histories right to your screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next deep dive into America's most remarkable coins.